When you have finished designing for the day, you will want to either save the project so you can come back to it later, or export it as a cutting file. The process to save the project involves opening the File menu and choosing either Save or Save As. If you save the design, you can give it a name, and it will have the file extension CWPRJ. That's Canvas Workspace Project, in short. Basically, what this file format does is retains all of the information, including fill colors and everything else, so that you can return to this project later and carry on designing from where you left off. If we want to export the cutting file though and use it on our cutting machine, we would go down to this option here, Export Transfer FCM File. This then presents us with options to either export the FCM file to a local drive, either your disk drive on your computer or a USB stick. If you have registered your machine to transfer files via Wi-Fi, you can click on this option here, or if you have a cabled connection between your computer and cutting machine, you can use this option here. If I click on Export FCM File, you can see that we are saving it as the file type FCM, Fabric Cutting Machine. And this basically strips out all of the unnecessary visual information that you have in a project file and prepares the file ready to be cut on your machine. It's important to know the difference, as trying to load a project file into your machine will result in a failed attempt, and likewise trying to open up an FCM file and having all of the information still there that's in a project file won't work either. So know the difference and apply it appropriately is really all I can say about that.